Hi! In front of me is Nokia C12, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down to access System. Then tap on Languages and Input. On-screen keyboard. And keyboard. Following that, select Theme section, scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners to access all available ones. Then tap on the best one for you and manage key borders thanks to this switcher. When you're ready, click on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by accessing the same settings, but this time selecting this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!